today. Wonder what it will be. Biscuits, muffins, rolls, sweet bread. Will it be made in bread machine or in a pan in the oven?
So in a bowl, we got 2 cups of flour. We're going to add a cup of sugar to this. I'm going to mix my dry ingredients first. So there is 2 cups of sugar. Like I said, I'm going to mix my dry ingredients. We have a teaspoon and a half of baking powder, not baking soda. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. So I'm going to kind of mix this around a little bit before we add our dry ingredients. Okay, so now comes our wet ingredients. We're going to add a half a cup of orange juice, which the recipe says to dilute. I'm not diluting it. You know I'm going to do the whole orange juice. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of oil, and then, is that all we're going to add? No, we're going to add 1 beaten egg to this. So I'm going to go get this all mixed up before I fold in a cup of chopped cranberries and a cup of chopped walnuts. So I've already kind of stirred this around a little bit just so I can get to the bottom of that. Of the bowl. Now we're going to add a cup of cranberries, chopped cranberries, and a cup of walnuts. It did say to go ahead and add the walnuts at the very beginning, but I decided to add it with the cranberries. So I'm going to stir this in. So the recipe didn't say to grease the pan, but I did. I just put some cooking spray in there. And this is a bigger loaf pan, as you can tell. So now I'm going to go put it in a 325 degree oven. And it's going to bake for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Yep, you said that right. Or until when you take a toothpick out, it comes out clean when it's put in the middle. And as usual, I'm aluminum foil my pan because my oven tends to burn hot. Burn on the top, so that's what we're doing.